Okay, guys, so now we're going to look at how to do our calculations with the data from the titration that we did. So looking at this, this is the data that we found. I used 1 molar KOH in the burette. I used 10 milliliters of vinegar, which has acetic acid in it, in the Erlenmeyer flask. And then this is the initial volume of KOH in the burette and the final volume. The first thing I'm going to have to do is find how much KOH was actually added. And I'm going to do that by final minus initial. So I'm going to take the 18.29 minus 10.32, and I'm going to put this in my calculator. So 0.29 minus 10.32, I get out that I had 7.97 milliliters of KOH. Okay, so now I'm going to use the formula for titrations, which is the molarity of the acid times the volume of the acid equals the molarity of the base times by the volume of the base. Okay, so for the molarity of the acid, I just said here, I don't know what it is. So I'm going to keep that as MA, saying I'm looking for that. For the volume of the acid, I used 10 milliliters. That's right here. So, and that's going to be equal to the base. The base was the KOH. I know it's the base because it has OH in it. And the molarity of the base was 1 molar. And then the volume of the base is this, what I just found here, of how much I added. So I'm going to put 7.97 milliliters here. And so now I just got to do the math here. So I'm going to do 1 times 7.97, which is going to be 7.97. And then I'm going to divide by 10. Okay. So I'm going to take 7.97 divided by 10. And I'm going to get that the molarity of the acid is 0.797 molar. And that's the answer for my titration. So this is how you do the math with a titration to figure out the unknown concentration of either an acid or a base.